For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So you want to expand HK class's root. Then you want to look for .vbs. You might need to scroll down to find it, it will take a while. So once you find .vbs, you want to expand it, and then you want to click on persistent handler. Once you're on this, we want to click on the file that is called default, and then you want to change the value data to vbs file. Spell it the exact same way how I did with the same capitals, and then click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search, and then type in cmd. Then we're going to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Once you're on it, you want to run these 3 commands, which I'll leave down below in the description. So I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to paste it right here and click on enter. This will start the scan. So once the scan has been completed, then you can run these other commands. But whilst the scan is loading, we can do the other steps in the video, so just minimize this. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and then type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to click on scan options, and then you want to run a full scan and then click on scan now. Now after you complete this full scan, and then you complete the scan in CMD as well, then you want to head back into virus and threat protection, and then you want to run a Microsoft Defender offline scan and click on scan now. Once you do everything in this video, the problem should be fixed.